5 Best Coffee Makers. The item number 5 is Mini Coffee Machine Handheld Coffee Maker. Be your own barista. With this coffee maker, you can pour high-quality espresso anywhere on the go. All you need are coffee powder and hot water. Fast and simple, with no messy grinds to clean up. Portable and convenient, hand-operated, portable, no batteries, and no electric power. The item number 4 is Wald Manual Coffee Maker Hand Pressure. Brand name eWorld. Capacity, cup, 5 cups. Voltage, V, none. Certifications, CB. Function Cafe American. Model number Travel Coffee Maker. Type Espresso Coffee Maker. Power, W, none. Housing material silicone rubber. Applicable travel, outdoor, office, sport. The item number 3 is Home Leader Coffee Makers Italian Top Mocha Espresso. Brand name Home Leader. Type Stovetop Coffee Maker. Power, W, none. Model number 9. Certifications, CB. Capacity, cup, 5-10 cups. Voltage, V, none. Function Espresso. Housing material other. Time to market August 15. The item number 2 is Mini Manual Portable Coffee Maker Mini Espresso. Size, height, 196 mm. Upper diameter, 55 mm. Lower diameter, 58 mm. Coffee powder capacity, 10 grams. Water capacity, 140 milliliters. Material, plastic PP stainless steel 304 silicone. The item number 1 is Colorful Mini Coffee Machine Turkey Coffee Maker. Brand name Sonifer. Function Cafe American. Capacity, cup, 3 cups. Type Pod Coffee Maker. Housing material plastic. Model number SF3503. Power, W, 500 watts. Voltage, V, 220 volts to 240 volts. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.